So I was sent the LawnMaster 13 amp 1.5 gallons per minute 2300 max PSI CSA certified pressure washer to test for you. Now I was pretty excited about getting this pressure washer because I own a home, I own several vehicles, and this will come in handy for many tasks. First off, super easy to put together. All I needed was a Phillips head screwdriver. You put together the handle and hooks on the side, pretty much set to go. All the accessories are very easy to understand and use, and gives you a wide range of uses for around the house and for cars. So after setting it up, I did a little car wash and it was pretty easy to go first time out. So this is the first pressure washer I've seen or I own that came with the foam bottle. Now this attaches to your wand, you fill up with some soap and you're ready to go. It has an adjustment of the type of foam and amount on the top of the handle, and super easy. All the attachments are super easy to plug and play, twist and lock in, and you're ready to go. Quick changes, no problem. It comes with a hub brush that's great for car wheels, getting underneath the rocker panels, agitating the dirt while getting into tiny little spaces in the rims. You got the electric pressure washer gun, you got the 20-foot hose, tip cleaner, brush, foam bottle, wheel hub brush, everything's included. So in the main nozzle, you have 3 strengths, which tackles rust, mud, more. You could clean your pavers, your deck, your shingles. It's got a super long reach. And with 2300 PSI, it gives you max performance. They thought about everything with this kit by giving you 2 extra washers. This way you're set for longevity. The bristles on the brush are super soft and give a great coverage to agitate dirt and stuck on mud. So they thought of everything in this package. You pretty much got everything you need to do. The setup, super easy, super quick, no stress. I got into this washing the car job very quickly out of the box. And that's what makes this such a great value, along with the power and the functionality of everything working together. So I give this a thumbs up, and I think you'll enjoy it too.